So if you don't know, Google just quietly launched a new AI application which is called Google AI Edge Eloquent. So this is a AI dictation app where you can speak naturally if you have stutter or anything like that and you don't want to type, you just want to speak and text. You can use this for free right now without any subscription. Yes, this is for free. Now if I go down, as you can see, this is a raw input of someone is talking, like as you can see, someone is speaking naturally, and after that it's going to create a polished version of that, and also it's going to correct the grammar if you use that application. So this app is like just like Flow, but Flow is paid version where you have to buy subscription to use this. Also you need internet, but here's the full trick is that you don't need internet connection to run this on your device. You might thinking that without internet it will be not fast, but as you can see, this is very fast, 3x faster than a normal typing. But there is a bad news as that Google launched this application only for iPhone users. So this is only for iOS right now. If you have an iPhone, you can go to your app store and you can download this for free and you can start to use it right now. So this is kind of funny that Google just launched a fast application in iOS but not Android. But they are saying that they are going to also include this in the desktop and like Android. And main thing is you can use this for code and prompting to AI agents. And right now it's only available on iOS version. And this app is only available in English only, but UK, Switzerland, and EU and Brazil is currently restricted due to regulatory approval. So what are you waiting for? Just go ahead, go to your app store and download this app and use this and let me know in the comment that it's so what Google is saying about this app is true or not. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe.